Welcome back to BOOSIEVLOGS. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing, okay? This box here is, let's see. This box is from African Imports. First up, before I start off this video, I want to give a shout out to FedEx Grounds in the city of Baton Rouge. FedEx always on time. They always have my packages. Man, look how neat this package is. See how neat that package is? And this package came way from New Jersey. Hackensack, New Jersey. And look how great they did. So shout out to FedEx in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. FedEx Grounds. Okay. So this box here is from African Imports, okay? So since this is kind of big box, what I may have to do, just see how I can do this. Open this box up. So what I'll do, fam, I'll just get the box open up and start unveiling what's in the box. Stay tuned to BOOSIEVLOGS. Okay, so you get this right here when you open it up, and it says more choices, new ideas, authentic, wholesale, African products for your business. Thank you for your order. You have a djembe drum right there, and you have a beautiful queen right there. Okay, open it up. They're showing you about different fragrances they have. They're showing you about, they have toothbrushes. They have African chewings. They have a whole lot of products. The website is africanimports.com. So go look them up on the web. You gotta take care of it. And then also inside of here we have a postcard. And it's a postcard stating that Tabisha and Lundu in South Africa were just married. Tabiso just graduated from college and works overseeing a work skills training center for a large group of disadvantaged women. He has also been organized in food distribution for people affected by COVID-19. We have been paying part of Taba's work costs for the last 18 months. He is very capable. Excuse me for not pronouncing their African names correctly. Lynn Guy graduated from medical school and is beginning her residence. She is not technically paid by African Imports, but she feels the same way as Tabiso about the work that they do. These two are both people who are really needed and can make a difference for a lot of people in Africa. They both have a strong commitment to helping others, and money is not the reason that they will go to work each day. But they could not do what they are doing or use all of the potential without the money that they get from you and us. Bruh. So my order is helping these two married couples in Africa that are distributing food to people that were affected by COVID-19. So that's awesome, man. You know, that's awesome. Okay? So we're gonna put this in there. We're gonna put that to the side there. Okay. And so then you have your like the order sheet and the things that you ordered and stuff like that. Okay. let's get into it. Let's see what we have. And I tell you, the box and the inside the box is just packed so beautifully. Okay, so the first thing, okay, this right here. Know what I'm gonna do, fam? I'm gonna put this down, fam. Okay. This is my eating bowl, fam. I have me a Calabasas bowl. This is the bowl that I'll be eating my food out of. Okay? You can see it. Straight from Africa. See it? Yes. So this is a new collection. Now they also have different sizes, but I think this is a nice size for me to just you know, start off with. Okay? Set that over there out the way. Okay. The next thing we have traditional gold dashiki. That's what we call them in New Orleans. Dashikis. Okay. Let's see what this will look like. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, I don't know if I'm going to open up all these things, because some of these are for people and they're gifts. But I think this one's for me. But I go through my list to see who is who, so I don't want to open up their gift. But I can still show it to you. But okay, but this is a beautiful, smack brand new dashiki. Right off the page. Okay, so we got that. Okay. And then we have this one looks like a orange and black dashiki. Like I'm not going to open them up like I stated before, but some of them I purchased for friends and family, so I want to keep it on. And then this one is another dashiki. This is a beautiful blue one. Okay. Seeing this one. This is a legging set. This is a legging set for a lady. Okay. I think this is gonna be that kente print of the legging sets. So yes, ladies, they have things there for women too. Okay, this is another dashiki. This is a purple one. It's a purple one, an orange one. Yep, it's a purple one. Okay. Then we have another one, a white and navy dashiki. We have another dashiki. This is a long sleeve dashiki. Red, extra large. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a June 19th flag. Beautiful. Let y'all see it. Can y'all see that? Beautiful flag. Put this back in the bag. But that is the June 19th flag. And also we have some Ashanti double roster kilka cars. Okay, and how these go as if you're finna slaughter an animal, or make a sacrifice, or do a ritual with an animal. You can do it like this. You also have another one too, the same, another one. Put in the other hand. So you do this with this one here, you just put it in this hand here. Just put it in this hand here. That's what you'll be doing with that. Okay. And then we have another rattler. This is a wick rattler. This is from Mali in Africa. Okay. Listen. Beautiful. Okay. Let's see what this is. This is an African horn traditional beer cup. You know, this cup will have some Heineken. I tell you what, they package it so carefully, so neatly. This is from a real horn. It's a real horn. You see that? Look at that. This is tusk too. Maybe from a rhino. Y'all need to see how to put this on. I'm doing this, bro. Like this, like that. That's beautiful. The beer cup. Okay. We have another dashiki, the black mustard one. Beautiful. We have a lime green one. Beautiful. We have a black and orange one. Beautiful. We have a white and lime. Ooh, this is white and green. It's like an old goon color. With that green and black. Okay. And we have a red and white one. You know I had to Give one for my daddy, King Shango. You hear me? So I got a white and red one. Okay. Let's see what this is. This is a wooden fork and spoon set. This is gonna go with my calabash bowl over there. Excuse me, I have a little cold. Yes, this is beautiful. See this? I can hang them both up. I don't know if I'm gonna use these. I just hang them up because they're beautiful and used for special occasions. Could they have on the back where you can hang them up? So I don't know yet. I'm undecided yet. I don't know. I'm undecided. But they are beautiful. Okay. And I also have toothpaste. I don't think I brought it in toothpaste. I don't think I brought it. And I was checking the order. And guess what, fam? They gave me a free gift. They gave me a free gift of Nature's Gift to Mankind. Herbal Essential Toothpaste. Fluoride protection. Herbal's new 5-in-1 toothpaste. It has organic saffron, organic tea tree, organic aloe vera, organic ginger, and organic lemon. So we'll definitely get this a try. Thank you, African Imports, for the free gift. Thank you. It is very appreciated. Then we have a lime dashiki, which is very beautiful. We have a, I want to say a fuchsia. That's the color of it. Fuchsia dashiki. We have a traditional dashiki, dashiki and cap. So we have a cap in this one. So you have a cap in this one. This is a beautiful color too. The colors are all vibrant and beautiful. And we have another dashiki, which is black and long sleeve. And that will conclude my unboxing of my African import order. I want to thank y'all for watching BOOSIE'Vlogs. I want to also tell y'all, if y'all new to the channel and y'all like this content or y'all want to see more unboxing of African imports, or if you go back up to my video list and you see more videos that I have done, if you want me to do them over, you see some things that I can add to the video, leave me a comment. You can email me at boosievlogs@gmail.com. I want to thank y'all for watching, liking, subscribing, and thank y'all for being Boosie fans. You hear me? Appreciate you. Have a blessed day.